Hello student, this is last exercise of chapter 4 of your class 9, and in this chapter first this exercise first question is given. Give the geometric representation of y equal to 3 as an equation in one variable and two variable. So here now consider the equation y equal to 3. This is the equation y equal to 3. If this is treated as an equation in one variable y only, then it has unique solution. One variable, in case of one variable, it has unique solution which is a point on number line. So in case first part of this question, we need to represent this in one variable. Representation in one variable. In one variable. So it is simply represent on number line. So let this is the number line. Zero here, -1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So y equal to 3 is simply a point on number line. So here 3, positive 3 is given. So this is y equal to 3. Y equal to 3. Let this point be P. P we represent y equal to 3. Now in two variables, when this equation treated as an equation in two variables, it can be expressed as 0x plus 1 by simply y equal to 3. Then this equation has infinitely many solutions. So let at x equal to 1, this is 0 into 1, that is 0, plus y equal to 3, so y equal to 3, so solution is 1, 3, at x equal to 2, x equal to 2, so 0 into 2 plus y equal to 3, so 0 plus y equal to 3 means y equal to 3. So other solution is 2, 3. So for every value of x, either 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, we get only value of y is 3. Every time we get the value of y as 3. So now represent these solutions on the in two variables, that is in Cartesian plane. One variable means number line, and in two variables means in Cartesian plane. Minutes. and so on. Similarly, on y-axis it is 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now plot these points 1, 3, 2, 3. So at x equal to 1, y equal to 3. So this is here. Next, x equal to 2, y equal to 3 again. So this is the point. So if we join these 2 points, we get a line through 3 that is parallel to x-axis. So this is the representation of y equal to 3 in 2 variables. Second part, in 2 variables. Similarly, other question of this exercise is given 2x plus 9 equal to 0. Other question. One more question, that is question number 2. Equation is given 2x plus 9 equal to 0, and we need to give the geometric representation of this equation in 1 variable and in 2 variables. So it may be written as 2x equal to minus 9, therefore x equal to minus 9 upon 2, that is x equal to minus 4.5. Now this equation has unique solution, which is a point on number line. So first case, in 1 variable, this may be represented on number line only, simply a point. So let it is 0, 1, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5, and minus 4.5 must lie between minus 4 and minus 5. So this is the point. Here x equal to minus 4 point. This point represent x equal to minus 4.5, and in 2 variables, in second case, in 2 variables, this equation may be written as x plus 0 by equal to minus 4.5, and as in question first, we get 2 or 3 solution of this equation. So at y equal to 1, x has same value, 1 into 0, that is 0, so x equal to minus 4.5. At y equal to 2, so 2 into 0, that is 0, so x plus 0 equal to minus 4.5, that is x equal to same value minus 4.5. Similarly, at other values, let y equal to 3, it is same value minus 4.5 and so on. Now draw these points, plot these points on number line, Cartesian plane. More space given for the negative x-axis. Now this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Now plot these points at y equal to 1. Y equal to 1, x equal to minus 4.5. So it is minus 4.5 comma 1, minus 4.5 comma 1, minus 4.5 comma 2. So it is minus 4.5 comma 2. Similarly, minus 4.5 comma 3. So here this is the point, minus 4.5 comma 3. So if we join these points, this is x equal to minus 4.5 in two variables. So this is last question of your exercise 4.5. Okay.